Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add transitions in Splice. Splice is a powerful and beginner-friendly mobile video editor that allows you to connect clips smoothly using transitions. Transitions help your video flow naturally instead of jumping abruptly from one clip to another, and they are perfect for the vlog, travel edits, reels, tutorials and the project. And here's a complete step-by-step guide to adding transition in Splice. First, you need to open your Splice app. You can also add a new project, or you can also tap on the existing project, and that is a transition can only be added. And make sure you have two video clips in your timeline, and transition can only be added between the two clips, so make sure you have a multiple clip placed next to each other. And look at the transition icon. You need to select to this effect just beside the overlays, and over here select to this transition. You can select any of the transition that you want, either crossfade, color fade, blurring out, and this is it. This is how you can add transitions in Splice. Adding transition in Splice is a quick but makes a huge difference in video quality. With proper timing and style choices, your video will look clean, smooth and professional. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.